Hello, my name is Abhay, and I am part of Team Econovisionaries, and I'm going to be discussing some ongoing solutions to our UN Sustainable Development Goal. So just to recap, our goal is number 7, which is affordable and clean energy. We are aiming to increase the access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. So people, especially in rural Southeast Asia, do not have reliable access to these forms of energy. So just to take a quick look at the current state of energy sources that Southeast Asia is getting, these are some statistics on the right-hand side. So one thing to note is that there is still a heavy reliance on coal, which is about 49%, but they're still making progress to increase the amount of renewable energy resources. Another thing to note is that Bhutan and Nepal are almost 100% dependent on hydropower, which is really cool. Rajiv Panda, he makes note that only 18% of the possible hydropower is actually being utilized. So this brings us to hydropower. Um, the diagram on the left-hand side explains a little bit about how the hydroelectric dam works. Um, so because there are a lot of rivers in South Asia, um, hydropower is a great source of clean energy. And there, as we are ongoing and moving towards a more sustainable and clean energy future, more dams are being built in India and South Asia as a whole. Another form of clean energy is solar power. So in rural areas that are not very obscured, meaning that there are no forests or cities. These are like agricultural areas. Um, Solar power is very useful because these areas get hit by a lot of sun, and there's a lot of land area that's not being used for other buildings. So as we are moving towards a more sustainable future, more and more rural areas are getting access to solar power, which is really helpful for small businesses, students, healthcare facilities, and so forth. So these are my citations. Thank you.